In this video, we will show you how to install a catback exhaust system on a 2003 to 2007 Infiniti G35 Coupe. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Let's begin by raising the car. Now we have access to the exhaust system. Let's spray penetrating oil on all rubber hangers and exhaust hardware. Remove two 14mm nuts as shown here. Next, remove the 12mm bolt that's attached to the rubber hanger. Using a prybar, remove the factory muffler assembly. Here, we will remove two 14mm nuts. Here, we will remove two 14mm nuts. Remove the factory exhaust mid-pipe. Attach the two short sections of exhaust piping to our new exhaust mid-pipe. With our new mid-pipe in place, tighten four 14mm nuts. Now replace the rubber hanger and tighten the 12mm bolt. Place our new mufflers onto the rubber hangers and into position. Again, tighten another 4 sets of 17mm nuts and bolts as shown here. Here, we will fasten the ground wire to our new exhaust with a set of 17mm nut and bolt. Now you are ready to enjoy newfound power and sound with your Spec D Catback exhaust system. Thank you for choosing K2 Motor Videos to assist you. Please visit K2 Motor for more products.